Okay, here we are.
Okay, moms and dads, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler Middle School.
wow, I was just stuffing my face with candy. Look what Mr. Goff has got.
Look at this.
Guess what that's
Look
for,
at
moms and dads,
this.
boys and girls.
Oh,
Look at that. It's like Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory here. Look at this.
selling them during lunchtime, kids.
You cannot imagine. When you look at these things, each one of these, it tastes like
Wild
something.
cherry. Cookies
Some of
and
them
cream.
taste like cherry cheesecake,
Island
strawberry
punch.
cheesecake,
Pina colada?
pina colada,
Blueberry?
coconut, lollipops, vanilla mint,
Anyway, these things are for
mint
sale.
chocolate chip,
$1.
pistachio. It's incredible. $1 a
true.
piece. We're raising money. We've sold so many of these today, moms and dads. These things are going like hotcakes. We just wanted to thank Ralph Chandler, wanted to thank everybody for their support.
That's right.
These are dynamite. They last the whole day. Mr. Goff's been eating that the whole day. Look at it.
All day.
Show it.
Look at this.
Oh,
It's
how
not
do
even
you beat that?
smaller. Look at that.
Look at that.
It lasts
Amazing.
forever.
Dynamite. 2 thumbs up, Ralph Chandler. 2 thumbs up to all the kids, the students, the PTSA.
Yep.
And what's the for Beta Club?
For Beta Club.
Beta Club for coming up with
Beta
this
Club.
idea. These things, like I said, it's like Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory. These things are going like hotcakes.
Yep. Now, look at this. A student made this. It's yellow and black, and I think he cut out the words yellow and black here, and then you open it up. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but he wanted me to show it to you, and there it is. Now, Mr. Esposito, what's going
Wow,
on
oh,
inside?
Mr. Esposito, moms and dads, what are we doing? Vascular, non-vascular plants, doing a little bit of comparing, a little bit of contrasting. That project that I taught you about, I've been saying it over the last several days. Here it is. Here's an example of what it looks like. I had the students take the notes down from the Promethean screen. I also gave them a little piece of paper that gave them directions on how they're going to do it. Plus, I showed them an example in class. Here's the example. You've got vascular, you've got non-vascular, and what they both have in common. So it's going to look similar to this. Boom! Look at that. Okay? Vascular, non-vascular, and what they have in common. This is going to be due, moms and dads, Friday. I believe it's October 21st. Check out my website. It's on my website. I told them to put it in their agendas. It was on my agenda on the board. It was also on my Promethean screen. It's in their ISNs. It's on that sheet I gave them, and it's right here on our YouTube video. So, please, keep up with me, moms and dads. We want to make sure we get all this stuff in, and we get it in on time. Mr. Esposito is still waiting for a few of his last projects. That was like a couple of weeks ago. I'm still waiting for some of those. Some people haven't handed them in. Let's get this in. Let's get on the board. We've got to take this city by storm, right?
That's right.
That's right.
We
Dynamite.
need to be
What?
proactive.
Proactive.
Get things in. So, now, in math class, we are going to have a 4-day weekend here, and then when we come back, we're going to do some review. We're going to learn a couple more lessons, and we are going to have a test next week in all my math classes. We're going to have the first part of our Chapter 3 test. It's in 2 parts in both classes, Math 6 and Math 7. So, we'll be going over that stuff. I'm going to be planning this weekend for some good lessons, and I might even put some lessons up on YouTube for you guys to watch to prepare for the test. That's big news, people. Now, I'm going to put a lesson at the very end of this. It's a little review on rounding. And we did it in class, and you can kind of watch me do it on the Promethean board at the end of this video right here. And plug it in. So, you guys are going to be
Okay,
prepared.
ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 2 thumbs up. Ralph Chandler Middle School, Mr. Esposito,
And Mr.
Goff, and hopefully soon I'll be making some more, a little bit more elaborate plans so I can give you a lesson of something I'm covering in my class. He'll be able to give you something that's covered in his class, and you can kind of branch off, bing, bang, boom, done. All right?
That's going to be great.
2 thumbs up, Mr. Esposito, Ralph Chandler Middle School.
Okay, yeah, it's recording. So, I want you guys to look at this. We have, it's a little bit of a review from what we did last time. And we have 7 and 439 thousandths, and we run around to the hundredths place. So what number do I underline? Danny? 3, very good. And then what am I looking at to tell me what to do to the 3, Victoria? 9, very good. What does that 9 tell me to do to the 3? Right here. Go up, very good. So that it becomes 7.44, and then we can just put a 0 to hold the place of where the 9 used to be. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Let's look look at number 2. We're rounding to the 10th place. What number is in the 10th place?
7.
7, very good. And what is the number we look at to tell us what to do with it, Kathy? 4. What does the 4 tell us to do? Okay, the same, very good. So our answer is 1 and 7 tenths, and we can put a 0 to hold the place of that 4 that we're getting rid of. Okay? Tyler, what number is in the 10th place for number 3? 2, very good. Which one? The first one or the second one? Very good. And so what number are we looking at to tell us what to do to 2, Kaylin? The 8. And what does the 8 tell us to do, Richard? Yes, very good. Go up to a 3. So we have 92.300. Climb the vine, that's right. 5 and 9, climb the vine. Now number 4, what number is in the ones place? Aaron? 8, very good. The 8 is in the ones place. So we have to look at what number? Hannah?
5.
This first 5 right here?
Yeah.
Very good. And what does that 5 tell us to do the 8? Malaysia. Go on up, that's right. So we have now 69. And you can put .000 if you would like to. Okay. And at number 5, the thousandth place, the number is what?
5.
5, very good. And so we're looking at, in the back there.
7.
The 7, what does the 7 tell us to do? 5. Getting everybody here, Cole? Go up, that's right. Now we have 74 and 386 or 3,860. Number 6, Emma, what are we looking at here?
The 8.
The 8, very good.
And it helps create the 3 helps.
That's right. 3.
And it tells you to go stay within 32, that more 3, 8, 0.
Very nice, very nice. Now let's see.